Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around.
So yun, start na tayo ng ating ride for today. Ito lang tayo. Back to Calipa City. Time check, it's 8 o'clock. Medyo may lamig pa ng konti. So next time kailangan natin aga-agahan pa. Especially pag talagang mainit na. So ano lang to, short ride lang. Medyo kahapon mahaba yung ride natin kakakapon sa Mykonos. Short ride lang ulit ito. Tignan ko lang ulit yung mga truck dito sa Calipa City kung nalinis na. Let's go! So ito, andito na tayo sa ating usual na pinagbabaygan. Tingnan natin if the situation still the same, kung nalinis na ba yung mga kalsada o hindi pa. Let's go! So ito na yung area wherein yung talagang marami yung mga buhangin. Ito, it seems like na nalinis na ng konti dito. Ito kasi dati punong-puno rin to ng buhangin nung huling ride natin dito. So, not sure kung nalinis nga talaga kasi dami pa rin mga buhangin kasi nag-anticipate pa sila ng ulan So I guess hindi pa nalinis to, hindi pa natanggal yung mga buhangin. Ingat lang tayo dito kasi baka makadali tayo ito, hindi pa nalilinis to. Kasi as for weather forecast, parang this week is may pa rin chance pa rin ng mga rain. So hindi natin alam. Kasi yan for sure lilinisin nila yan. Hindi nila iiwan na ganyan lang yan na naging ganitong maputik na. So yan, checkin natin yung ibang area na pinuntahan natin before. Let's go! Ito, nag-main road muna ako kasi walang bike lane dito sa side na to. Biglang tayong dadaan ng mga kapulisan dyan. But anyway, balik naman tayo ng bike lane. So ito yung last time na nag-bike tayo ng after ng big rain. Hindi natin napuntahan tong area na to. So check natin tong area na to kung anong kaganapan dito. So malinis naman dito, pero tignan natin on that other side sa likod. Let's go! So na-reach na natin itong dulo na itong kalsadang to. So far naman may parts na may mga part lang na merong mga buha-buhangin, pero most of the track is clear. So that's a good thing. May mga other parts lang na merong mga buha-buhangin, especially yung mga doon sa may mga pedestrian crossing doon. So andito na tayo sa dulo. So later, ngayon iikot tayo, titignan natin yung the other side dito doon. Pabalik tayo dito, then we'll go there on that side, then we'll go straight to Masdar. Check ulit natin yung Masdar. So ito, so far this ride is feeling good. Ewan ko dun sa other side kung anong meron doon. Kasi hindi natin napuntahan yun last time. Doon lang tayo, hanggang doon lang tayo sa may mga food truck. So main road biking muna ulit tayo. Hindi ko alam ba't marami nakapark na car doon. Siguro because of the school on this side. Pero wala yatang pasok eh. Hindi ko rin sigurado. Yan, may konting baha-baha pa rin na nagtatouch dito sa road. Checkin natin itong bike lane dito. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. May nakaharang ng todo. Let's see and find out kung ano yung nakaharang. Ito, this is bad as it is. Nung nagpunta tayo dito kasi parang wala naman yata nagbabike dito or kaya hindi nila masyado, tsaka nasa likod siya so hindi masyadong pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Pero ito may mga naglilinis naman yun. But this is bad. Too much Too much bad So medyo talagang siguro nag-overflow yung baha doon, umabot dito kasi ito mo to. Tapos dito sa side may construction din. Parang yung mga buhangin yan nanggagaling sa construction dito. Ito yung wall nila halos natumba na. So yan ang ano dito. Are they going to clean it? We don't know. They're starting cleaning it. Yan, siguro yung mga yun ay contractor nung construction doon. Kasi ito mo, yung sa side na yan, nililinis nila yung barricade para hindi parang nililinis ba nila or what? Nilalagyan nila ng barricade kaya para hindi mag-overflow yung tubig, hindi pumunta sa kalsada yung tubig. Oh no! That's a road, yung may tubig na yan, kalsada yan. Ginagawang kalsada pala. Malaki-laking trabaho yan kay Malabanan. Malaki-laking ipipan yan kay Malabanan So ito. Thank you! So yung the first part of this track is talagang bad. Dito medyo okay naman dito. And tingnan natin yung dun sa dulo. Let's go. And that side there talagang lawa pa rin siya. Ito kahit pa paano nililinis na. Good morning boss. Nililinis nila ng konti because of the construction on this side. Siguro kaya nila nililinis yung tapat ng nila. Ayan this is it's bad here kasi ayan may mga part na may baha pa din pati sa hanggang kalsada. I don't know, hindi lang siguro nila masyadong pinaprioritize to kasi nasa likod naman siya, hindi kita ng madlang people. Except for those who are living in this community, itong villa community dito sa side na to, nakikita nila. Pero kasi ang front naman nila is dun sa kabila sa main highway. Yan, it's bad kasi dun pa rin. But the cycle track, it's a bit clean. May mga part na may mga lupa-lupa pero mostly is clean. So yun lang, let's go. Let's check other place naman. Let's go. Ito another baha part dito. So it's been a week since nagulan. Pero yan, may baha dyan. Nag-overflow siya hanggang dito. So let's go. Yan, baha. Saklap dito pa sa may gasoline station. Good luck dyan sa gasoline station. They need to do something about it kasi yung mga nagpunta dyan at alam na baha, they will not come back for para magpa-petrol, magpa-gasolina ulit. Say bye. Let's go.
Making moves, trying to get away.
Wow.
I'm living, same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling.
Meron tayong ang malalim, di ko napansin, putol.
What you saying? Try to keep me down, no time for all
Yun lang, na-flat tayo.
if you doubt me now.
Because of that,
No, I don't care about.
hoy, lakad tayo nito. Oh, shit. We don't have anything. So we don't have any other option but to walk. Oh my goodness. God damn.
Wanna try again, try again, try again, try again.
Woo-hoo.
Wanna try again, try again. All we had was those
Ano yan?
memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake. We're not
Ah,
longer. If you still love me, then please just let me go.
I guess this is just not our day. Flat. God damn.
If you doubt me now, you should know I don't care.
Option, walk.
Things you say, yeah.
Let's go.
I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah.
Oh my God, nagsisisi na ako dito ako nagdaan. Look at the bike lane, man. I don't know if they did that on purpose na talagang tinakpan na nila yung bike lane. I should have gone to the road, not on this bike track. Ah, let's go. Yung biking natin magiging walking sa clap. Okay lang, part of the game. Still an exercise for us.
You must have felt this coming.
Woo-hoo.
Just leave it right here, never to touch it again.
Let's go.
Even if you doubt me now, you should
Yeah, unfortunately, malayo-layo yung lakaran pa to.
the things you say.
Anyway, it's our fault. Hindi tayo nagbabaw ng something for this kind of incident. So, ngayon, I need to learn how to change inner tube. And I need to buy a hand pump. Para if this happens again, hindi tayo mukhang eng-eng na naglalakad. Kahit paano narating na natin itong food truck area na to. So just a little bit more. To reach home. Buti naman hindi tayo masyadong malayo, nakalapit-lapit naman tayo ng konti. Ito na yung food truck area. Let's go. Sabi ko pa naman kanina bago ako umalis, malambot yung gulong ko kaya naghahangin pa ako. Sabay ma-flat. Ayos din naman, sarap din naman itong lakad natin. So eto na tayo, still walking. Medyo malayo-layo pa rin pala tayo. Okay lang naman kasi kahit paano naman pinapawisan naman tayo. Medyo hindi lang yata tama yung shoes ko for walking kasi medyo sumasakit yung sa may ankle side ko. Anyway, it is what it is. So ito, finally, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Tatawid na lang natin tong traffic signal na to. Then, home sweet home na tayo. Pagod din ako doon sa lakad na yun ha. Solid na lakad din yun. Oh yeah. Yan na yung bahay natin, dyan side dyan. Solid yung lakad natin eh. So far, I've walked 3.4 kilometers in 40 minutes. Pagod ako. Mas nakakapagod pa yung walking sa biking eh. Ito na. Kain na tayo. Let's go. Ito na tayo. Talagang malapit na tayo sa bahay. Yan yung bahay natin. Nag-bike ako ng just maybe 12 kilometers yata. I'm not sure. It's in Strava. 12 kilometers in under 1 hour. Ngayon, and then ito, nag-walk tayo ng almost 3.5 kilometers for 45 minutes. Yan. We ride out and then now we are walking in. So lesson for me is I just really need to learn how to change this inner tube. Tsaka makabili ng mga tools to do that. Hand pump and everything. So dito na lang nagtatapos ang ating video for today. It was a bit of a fun. Okay naman, medyo masaya-saya naman yung walking natin. So yun na lang muna. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya!
Winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate.